I don't know why people don't talk about doctoring up their own barbecue sauces, because it's one of my favorite ways to make a home-cooked meal taste even better. So the secret here is that you're going to start with a barbecue sauce that you buy, and then you're going to add some pineapple, fresh chopped pineapple, and that barbecue sauce, and some olive oil to a blender and mix that all up. I like to get it blended smooth because I think the pineapple flavor gets into the chicken a bit more. These are nicely thinly sliced chicken breast. I bought them like that at the store, but you could always butterfly your own chicken breast. I used 1.5 pounds, and after marinating the chicken in the sauce mixture I made, I prepped some of the sides. Took this out to the gifted Traeger Flatrock Griddle. We love this thing. It heats up so beautifully. We got this new Blanco meat church seasoning when we visited the store the other day. You can find my YouTube video about what it's like to visit meat church in Texas. It's right outside Dallas. But anyways, if you don't have that, I would just use some salt and pepper to season up your onions and peppers. And then after getting those started, it's time to sear up the chicken. You could always cook this inside. You could use a regular grill, but the Flatrock was what we were using on this particular day. Print out all my favorite chicken recipes at sipbitego.com. So now I'm just going to show you how we plated this together. To me, this is like the perfect meal for the end of a weekend, or if you have people over for lunch. Super simple. It comes together in about 20 to 30 minutes. On the side, I made some rice, hit it with sriracha, added those griddled onions and peppers, always so good. Put up some guacamole on the side and topped all of it with cilantros and some lime wedges. You could serve these in tacos, but this was kind of like a fajita bowl. That pineapple turned out so good on that chicken. I hope you mix it. I use Japanese barbecue sauce. You could use whatever barbecue sauce you'd like. Till next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!